Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia Arshad, roll number 5058, course instructor Professor Atif Altaf. My assignment and presentation topic is organic reactions. First of all, we have types of organic reaction. There are 5 main types of organic reaction that take place in our organic chemistry, and they are as follows: substitution reactions, elimination reactions, addition reactions, radical reactions, and last oxidation and reduction reactions, which is also called as redox reactions. First we have substitution reactions. As we are explain these all types of reactions, so first of all we have substitution reactions, the type of organic reaction. Substitution reactions are also known as single displacement reaction or single replacement reaction. Is a chemical reaction during which one functional group in a chemical compound is replaced by another functional group. They are also classified as electrophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic substitution reaction, depend upon the attack of electrophile or a nucleophile. So what is substitution reaction? We can already say that substitution reaction is a chemical reaction during which one functional group in a chemical compound is replaced by another functional group. Types of substitution reaction: we have nucleophilic substitution reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is a substitution reaction in which an electron-rich nucleophile displaces the halogen atom bonded to the central carbon of an alkyl halide molecule. The halide end that is displaced from the carbon atom is also called as leaving group. मीन्स दैट जो हैलाइड आयन या जो भी एटम कार्बन एटम को छोड़ के जाएगा उसको हम कहेंगे लीविंग ग्रुप. सो हमारे पास नीचे मैकेनिज्म है. हमारे पास है एक और दो मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप. मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप है जिसके कार्बन नंबर 4 में हमारे पास क्लोरीन अटैच है. न्यूक्लियोफाइल क्लोरीन पे अटैक करेगा क्योंकि न्यूक्लियोफाइल वहीं अटैक करेगा जहाँ जो आयन लिविंग ग्रुप बाद में बनेगा वही न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करेगा. न्यूक्लियोफाइल की अटैक से ब्रेक हो जाएंगे बॉन्ड्स जो हैं, कोवलेंट बॉन्ड्स हैं बेंजीन रिंग में, वो ब्रेक हो जाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से हमारे पास नेक्स्ट प्रोसीड होगा रिएक्शन, क्योंकि वो अनस्टेबल है. ड्यू टू अनस्टेबिलिटी NO2 के नीचे नेगेटिव आयन है और NO2Cl NU. ड्यू टू अनस्टेबिलिटी फ़ौरन से बॉन्ड ब्रेकेज होगा और लीविंग ग्रुप लीव कर जाएगा जो कि है Cl. देन वी हैव एग्जांपल्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन एंड वी हैव propyl azide from potassium azide and propyl bromide, and next we have ethyl amine from ammonia and ethyl bromide. Similar onward ऐसे हमारे पास इस सारी एग्जांपल्स आ रही हैं जिसमें क्लोरोबेंजीन प्लस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड रिएक्ट करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ H3O पॉजिटिव एंड हीट, एंड हमारे पास फिनोल प्लस NaCl सोडियम क्लोराइड बनेगा, और बाकी भी सारी एग्जांपल्स इसी तरह से हैं. Next we have electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reactions are chemical reaction in which an electron displaces a functional group in a compound. Means that an electrophile is substituted by an other electrophile. नीचे हमारे पास mechanism है. We have benzene ring. E plus is the electrophile which attack on the benzene ring, as it will attack the bond between benzene ring one first जो है वो ब्रेक कर जाएगा, जो कि H से बॉन्डेड बॉन्ड है वो ब्रेक कर जाएगा. H हमारे पास लीव कर जाएगा और E हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है. मीन्स दैट कि वो फ़ौरन से एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप दूसरे फंक्शनल ग्रुप को रिप्लेस कर लेगा. ये हमारे पास थी इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन जो कि है एक टाइप substitution reactions की. Then we have examples of electrophilic substitution reaction जिसमें हमारे पास है बेंजीन रिंग पे इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैक कर रहा है, ये तो सिंपल मैकेनिज्म में आ जाएगी. दैन हमारे पास है फ्राइडल क्राफ्ट एसाइलेशन एंड अल्काइलेशन. This is basically Friedel-Crafts reaction, in which benzene ring attacked by chlorine molecule in the presence of AlCl3. And then we have examples of aliphatic substitution, electrophilic aliphatic substitutions by ketone plus halogen, and many others. Then we have second type of organic reaction, which is addition reactions. What are addition reactions? The addition reactions in organic chemistry is an addition reaction if two substances combine and form a third substance. Means that further explanation is there that unsaturated hydrocarbons like alkenes and alkynes prefer to undergo addition reactions. Hydrochlorination of propane is an example of addition reactions. What is addition reaction? Basically that two substances combine and form a third substance. ठीक है. In addition reactions, molecule add across double bond or triple bond. Hydrogenation reaction involve the addition of hydrogen to unsaturated hydrocarbon in the presence of catalyst like nickel or platinum to form saturated hydrocarbon at different temperatures, moderate temperature. And एडिशन रिएक्शन में हमारे पास आ जाती है हाइड्रोजनेशन और हैलोजनेशन. हाइड्रोजनेशन में हम हाइड्रोजन ऐड करते हैं एक डबल बॉन्डेड या ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड एटम में, और हैलोजनेशन में हम एक हैलोजन ऐड करते हैं जिसकी वजह से दो कंपाउंड ऐड होते हैं, कंबाइन होते हैं, और एक थर्ड सब्सटेंस हमारे पास बनता है. देन वी हैव एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एडिशन रिएक्शन. ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास है एक एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हमारे पास है हैलोजिनेशन की, जिसमें हैलोजिन ऐड हो रहा है एक इथाइलिन में. देन हमारे पास ब्रोमीन ऐड हो रहा है इथाइलिन में, इथेन में. और देन हमारे पास है एक हाइड्रोजनेशन जिसमें हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो रहा है एक डबल बॉन्डेड इथीन में. सेकंड में हमारे पास दो हाइड्रोजन के मॉलिक्यूल ऐड हो रहे हैं एक ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड इथाइन में. इथाइन में ऐड हो रहे हैं हमारे पास जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इथीन और इथाइन में सेम बन रहे हैं, बल्कि जो हमारे पास हैलोजनेशन है उसमें इथाइलिन डाइब्रोमाइड बन रहा है. Next we have third type of organic reaction, which is elimination reaction. So what is elimination reaction? An elimination reaction is a type of organic reaction in which two substituents are removed from a molecule. An elimination reaction is a type of reaction, organic reaction, in which two substituents are removed from a molecule in either a one or two step mechanism. इसमें हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है कि एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन वो है कि जिसमें एक या दो मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव एलिमिनेट कर जाएंगे. वो डिपेंड करता है कि मे भी वो एक स्टेप में कर जाएंगे, दो स्टेप में वो मूव ऑन कर जाएं. लाइक रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम अ मॉलिक्यूल इन आइदर वन और टू स्टेप मैकेनिज्म. वी हैव mechanism under these lines that जो हमारे पास एक बी है, बी के ऊपर एक उससे क्या कह रहे हैं हमारे पास है लोन पेयर, वो अटैक कर रहा है. अटैक करने से बॉन्ड ब्रेकेज हो रहा है. ये वन स्टेप मैकेनिज्म भी हो सकता है, टू स्टेप मैकेनिज्म भी हो सकता है. जिस जहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करेगा उस हिसाब से हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट्स बनेंगे. हमारे पास फर्स्ट स्टेप में टू ब्यूटीन बन रहा है, एंड सेकंड वन में हमारे पास सिंगल वन ब्यूटीन बन रहा है. एंड वी कैन ऑलरेडी से दैट इन आइदर वन और टू स्टेप मैकेनिज्म. वो वन स्टेप में भी हो सकता है, वो टू स्टेप्स में भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टाइप्स ऑफ एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. द फर्स्ट टाइप इज E1 रिएक्शन एंड सेकंड वन इज E2 reaction. So E1 is, what is E1 reaction? In the E1 mechanism, which is also known as unimolecular elimination, there are usually two steps involved: ionization and deprotonation. Two steps, one is ionization and second one is deprotonation. Ab what is ionization and deprotonation? During ionization there is a formation of carbocation as an intermediate, ठीक है, and in the deprotonation a proton is lost by the carbocation. This happens in the presence of base, which further leads to the formation of a pi bond in the molecule. In E1, the reaction rate is also proportional to the concentration of the substance to be transformed. It exhibits first order kinetics. E1 mechanism share the features of the SN1 reaction. The initial step is the formation of a carbocation intermediate through the loss of the leaving group. This low step becomes the rate determining step for the whole reaction. As we can say that the initial step is the formation of a carbocation, and then this is the picture of E1 reaction, like a complex molecule having Br, and Br is partial negative and the central atom carbon atom is partial positive. So it is a two-step reaction. First one is slow and the second one is fast. So we have the formation of carbocation. This is called as carbocation. CH3 central carbon C plus and then CH3 plus Br negative. This is a carbocation. As we can say here, the initial step is the formation of a carbocation intermediate through the loss of the leaving group. So Br is the leaving group. This one Br is the leaving group. So in the next step, carbocation is attacked by a nucleophile. Carbocation is attacked by a nucleophile. So OH is here nucleophile, and this is the carbocation, and this is a fast reaction. So we have our last product, which is 2-methyl propane plus water. By the rearrangement and by the reaction and by the bond breakage, we can found the 2-methyl propane. This one is the 2-methyl propane plus water. So E1 reaction, we can say that the initial step is the formation of carbocation, which is also attacked by in the next step, which is fast, by a nucleophile. It is first order kinetics. The second one is E2 reaction. In the E2 reaction mechanism, which refer to bimolecular elimination, basically a one-step mechanism. This is unimolecular reaction and this is bimolecular elimination reaction. Here the carbon, hydrogen and carbon halogen bond mostly break off to form a new double bond. However, in the E2 mechanism, a base is a part of the rate determining step and it has a huge influence on the mechanism. The reaction rate is mostly proportional to the concentration, both the eliminating agent and the substrate. It exhibits second order kinetics. The E2 mechanism can generally be represented as below. Below mentioned representation, B stands for base and X stands for the halogen. The rate of the E2 reaction is rate is equal to K under brackets Rx and under bracket close, under bracket base and a bracket close. So the reaction rate depend on both the substrate and the base involved. In the elimination reaction, the major product formed is the most stable alkene. We have the E2 reaction as here a nucleophile is attacked on the molecule, and we have the leaving group Br plus BH positive and other. We have 4 type of organic reaction, which is radical reaction. So what is radical reaction? A radical substitution reaction is a reaction which occurs by a free radical mechanism and result in the substitution of one or more of the atoms or group present in the substrate by different atoms or groups. It has always 3 steps. First step is initiation, propagation and termination. Initiation is first step and termination is last and propagation is in the middle. So we have CCl, Cl2 basically, and this is become a 2Cl. The dot represent the radical. In the propagation, Cl with free radical plus CH4 makes HCl plus CH3 with free radical, and then that CH3 with free radical is combined with Cl2 and makes CH3Cl plus Cl, again a Cl with free radical. Then we have last step, which is the termination. Cl this Cl plus CH3 makes CH3Cl. This is the radical reaction, the fourth type of organic reaction. Next we have oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions, the last type of organic reactions. So what is oxidation reduction or redox reactions? An oxidation reduction reaction is a type of chemical reaction that involves a transfer of electrons between two species. Transfer of electrons between two species. An oxidation reduction reaction is any chemical reaction in which the oxidation number of a molecule, atom or ion changes by gaining or losing an electron. Means that oxidation number of a molecule, atom or ion changes. That change may be increase the molecule, मतलब oxidation number increase हो सकता है या decrease हो सकता है, and oxidation number of a molecule, atom or ion changes by gaining or losing an electron. Redox reactions are common and vital to some of the basic functions of life, including photosynthesis, respiration, combustion, and corrosion or rusting. Oxidation reduction reactions are not only involved in chemistry or organic chemistry, it is also involved in daily routine life in plants and daily functions of life. Means that in the photosynthesis there is oxidation and reduction, the loss of oxygen and the gain of carbon dioxide. This is the phenomena which is come in the sense of in the field of oxidation reduction reactions. Respiration is also, and combustion, corrosion or rusting, this is the terms of chemistry. So we have the oxidation reduction reactions in all the sense of all the functions of life. So there is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is the loss of electron or an increase in oxidation state of an atom, an ion, or of certain atoms in a molecule. Oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is the gain of electron. Our second definition is decrease in the oxidation state of an atom, an ion, or of certain atoms in molecule. We have the example of oxidation and reduction. Loss of oxygen, loss of electron is oxidation, and gain of electron is reduction. Loss of electron, this is A plus B is equal to A positive plus B negative. हमारे पास A जो है A से बन रही है हमारे पास ऑक्सीडेशन, बिकॉज प्लस का चार्ज जिस आयन पे हो, जिस एटम पे हो, वो एक आयन बन जाता है और वो आयन एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कर चुका होता है. सो ए हमारे पास है इन द सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन, और जो बी है वो ए से गेन कर रहा है एक इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो दिस इज द रिडक्शन. There is also example of 4Cl plus O2, 2Cl and 2H2 and H2 plus Br2, 2HBr. There is the example of oxidation and reduction. So this is the my topic of presentation and assignment, which is organic reactions, an overview of organic reactions. So hopefully all of you understand it. Thank you so much.